Biology Chapter 3. Biology Chapter 3.
Let's get down to business and understand these terms. I'm Professor Science. Come to me for help. You're the lucky one. I come to teach you. We can totally make it through. Chloe, I'll make success out of you. I'm going to give you a lesson on macromolecules, okay? So, first of all, an organic compound is a chemical compound containing the element carbon, and usually the element hydrogen. An example is methane. Macromolecules are joined by smaller molecules into chains called polymers. Dehydration reaction occurs when making bonds, and hydrolysis occurs when breaking bonds. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the members of the class of biological molecules that consist of single monomer sugars, two monomer sugars, and polymers. The monomers of carbohydrates are monosaccharides. The three elements that are present in carbs are oxygen, hydrogen, and carbon. The ratio is 1 to 2 to 1. A disaccharide is formed by two monosaccharide monomers linked by a dehydration reaction. Polysaccharides are carbohydrates, polymers of many monosaccharides linked together by dehydration reactions. Starch is a storage polysaccharide in plants. Cellulose is a structural polysaccharide of plant cell walls, and structural polysaccharide found in many fungal cell walls and in the exoskeletons of arthropods.
Oh, okay, that makes sense now. Yvette, what are you doing here?
Didn't you know that I work for Professor Science? I'm here to help you. Do you know anything about lipids?
Not really.
A lipid is an organic compound including mainly carbon and hydrogen atoms that are linked by nonpolar covalent bonds. A lipid is composed of 3 fatty acids that are linked to one glycerol molecule. Fats are hydrophobic because they compose of hydrocarbon chains that have nonpolar bonds. Unsaturated fats are fatty acids whose hydrogen-carbon chain contains one or more double bonds. Saturated fats don't have double bonds.
Tell me about proteins. I'm on a roll.
Units of proteins are amino acids. They are linked together by peptide bonds, which occur through a dehydration reaction. An amino acid has an amino group and a carboxyl group, which are both covalently bonded to a central carbon atom. And there are 20 amino acids.
Let's go inside. It's getting chilly. Now I'll tell you about nucleic acids. Okay, so the two nucleic acids are DNA and RNA. The subunits of nucleic acids are called nucleotides. Each nucleotide consists of a 5-carbon sugar covalently bonded to a nitrogenous base and one or more phosphate groups. The 4 DNA nucleotides are thymine, cytosine, adenine, and guanine. The 4 RNA nucleotides are adenine, cytosine, guanine, and uracil. DNA consists of a double helix, but RNA consists of a single polynucleotide strand. Complementary base pairing is the key to how a cell makes 2 identical copies of each of its DNA molecules during cell division. In DNA, adenine pairs with thymine and cytosine pairs with guanine. In RNA, adenine pairs with uracil and cytosine pairs with guanine.
I can do this.